Now this Koobi nearly broke my relationship. Oh.
Koobi. One time, mommy, abako.
I enter Koobi recipe carry the house and Opana said, na me who die? I say, Massa, relax. This aroma is greatness. Load in small scent day, but the taste go humble you. Koobi no be ordinary fish. It dey smell like trouble but taste like heaven. Make I tell you people, now this feed them they use do abomu, stew, soup. It fit revive the dead appetite. See Koobi no be small for boys. If you no fit smell am, you know they deserve to chop am. Me dey mebu kotojama Koobi, I go bow before it. Hey, Koobi the only fish that go scare you first. Then it will win your heart. Koobi no be small for boys. So make I gist you small on which ingredients you need for Koobi. You for enter market, tell the market woman you need tilapia for Koobi. Buy salt, the big ones and the smooth one. If you don't get the big ones, you can use the smooth ones. You for come home, wash your tilapia. Very good, wash them well. Make sure there's no blood. Yes, no blood. Just dry it with tissue or your napkin and you start applying your salt. That is it. If your Koobi no chase one person out of the kitchen, is it really Koobi? No, then it is not Koobi. Or more, now if your Koobi no chase one person out of the kitchen, then it is not Koobi. No, it is not really Koobi. Koobi, they smell like wahala, but the taste is like an apology. This fish has been through more salt than my ex-attitude. Koobi is the only fish that smell like insult, but it tastes like royalty. 1 minute it is smell like breakup, the next minute everyone they fight for Koobi no be fish, na ancestral seasoning now. So this is the third day. I was checking if my Koobi was almost dried, and it was almost. So you have to check it. You have to leave it in the sun for 6 days. So I've left mine like 7 days, and yay, my Koobi was dried. So I took all the salt out, and yes, so the Koobi was ready. And Opana, who was saying he doesn't like the smell, was asking me when I was using it for my soup and stew. The recipe is dropping soon. I was asking me, make I taste some. I said, no, I no go give you. So this Koobi nearly destroyed my relationship. More. How do you see this Koobi? Kindly prepare some. The only thing you need is tilapia and salt. You are good to go. So I will leave it here. Remember to stay positive. Believe in God till we meet again. I will bring you another recipe. Any nama kramo. Mama bye. Ciao ciao.
Tasty meals on the screen, cooking up flavors like you've never seen.